So.
You were right here.
Yeah, I was right there.
Marking from the gun kicking, right there.
Right there. And I shot way out there.
You shot straight through these trees.
About 40 yards out.
Because you could, we should have waited till he came out a little more, but you had a good shot at him.
I did.
He looked right
I
at
got
you.
him.
And it sat there. I seen it roll, and I thought it laid there.
Yes. And then it got up and took off that way.
Not straight across.
Where'd Brian go?
He's walking. He's looking too.
You think he'll be an ass and take it from me?
I'm just wanting to see if somebody else got it, so we know we don't have to keep wasting our time looking for a deer.
I've ever gotten.
Unfucking real. I'm happy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yes, it is. Here's Zach's third buck. Nice big 8-pointer.
Took an hour and a half.
An hour and a half to track it. We spooked it up, ran, and he shot it and dropped it. Now we're on our way out the woods. And he's happy as a pig and shit. Look at the size of that rack. It's huge.
Got it from like 45 yards away. About 50, 45. Right through trees.
Look at that rack. It's beautiful. Alright, start dragging it. Let's get out of here. Look at that thing. Look at it. It's so big he can't even carry it. Alright, we're going to go now because we got to get out of the woods. Have a nice day.